Hi students, today we can start our GST chapter. We can start from exercise 1A, question number 1 onwards. For the following transaction within Delhi, fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. So MRP is given as 12,000, discount percentage is given as 30%, GST percentage is 18%, discount we want to find out. So MRP is 12,000. So what will be the discount? Discount percentage is what? 30%. So discount will be the 30% of the MRP. That is 30 by 100 into MRP is given as what? 12,000. So what will be the answer? After cancellation, you will get it as rupees 3,600. So discount is rupees 3,600. Next is what? Selling price. So what is selling price formula? Selling price is what? Marked price minus discount. So what about the marked price given in the question? Marked price is 12,000. So 12,000 minus discount is what? 3,600. Now we got discount as 3,600. So it is what? 8,400 rupees is a selling price. Next, CGST, SGST. Read the question properly. For the following transaction within Delhi. So within Delhi means it is an intra-state transaction. Intra-state transaction means there will be SGST and CGST. Then what about IGST? IGST will be 0. So SGST and CGST in percentage form will be what? Given 18% GST. 18% GST means we have to pay to the state government 9% and as CGST also 9%. So in rupees, CGST and SGST in rupees, how can we find 9% of which one? This selling price. So next, CGST and SGST. So how can we write that? Write down. Question is within Delhi. No. Since the transaction is within the state, it is an intra-state transaction. Therefore, IGST will be 0. We can write CGST. CGST is equal to, given GST as 18%. So CGST will be 9% of the selling price. That is 9 by 100 into selling price. Now we got just 8,400. So 8,400. So you will get the answer as 756 rupees. 756. So what about SGST? SGST same, no? 756 itself. 756. Then third one is which one? IGST. So IGST we can write it as 0. Then last one, amount of bill. What will be the amount of bill? Amount of bill is equal to selling price plus CGST plus IGST. So selling price is what? 8,400 plus 756 plus 756, which is equal to how much? 9,912. 9,912 rupees. Okay. Second question. For the following transaction from Delhi to Jaipur, fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. So transaction is from Delhi to Jaipur. So Delhi to Jaipur means it will be an interstate transaction. Interstate transaction. So we have to pay IGST only, no need of SGST and CGST. Given MRP is 50,000, discount percentage is 20%, GST is 28%. So what will be the discount? Same as question number 1. discount will be, discount percentage is given as 20%. So 20% of which one? MRP. MRP is 50,000. So 20 by 100 into 50,000. So is equal to value. Do the calculation. It is 10,000. Rupees 10,000. So next one is selling price. Selling price is what? MRP minus discount. No? MRP minus discount. So MRP is 50,000 minus discount 10,000 is equal to 40,000 is the selling price. Next CGST. Since it is an interstate transaction, CGST is equal to 0, SGST is equal to 0. We want to find out IGST. GST is given as 28%. So 28% of which value we want to take? After giving discount, we got the value, that is selling price, as 40,000. So IGST will be 28% of that selling price. That is 28% of 40,000. Write down IGST is equal to 28% of selling price, that is 28% of 40,000, that is 28 by 100 into 40,000 is equal to value 11200. 11200. Next we want to find amount of bill. Amount of bill is equal to, amount of bill is equal to SP plus IGST. Here IGST only, no. So SP is what? 40,000 plus IGST, we got it as 11,200. So it will be 51,200 rupees. 51,200 is the amount of bill. Amount of bill is equal to 51,200. Thank you.